Sanibona bafethu uvane lo namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngani ngizokhuluma ngabadlali be-Orlando Pirates abawu-2 the two defenders adlalele Orlando Pirates emva kwami nginobani nginolebona Siyema mase ngiba nobani ngibe noSesane ke bafethu nyamazi last season he was one of the best defenders Orlando Pirates eyayinawo bebe-defender lapha kakhulu benosibisi yabo ever since umjida walimala ke izinto zakhe azimhambelanga kahle akadlali nje for Orlando Pirates ever since that game elimali against iSkokono United umjida usemnandi kakhulu manje userecoverile yabo nje bese recoverile nje uyajima behind the scenes yabo he's working to recover his full fitness ukuthi abuyele groundini mase ezobuyela ke groundini mase ezobuyela do you think umjida kumele abuyele aqale as a center back noma kumele umjida asokuhlala kancane ebenchini because right now we have one of the best center backs in the country okubani okombokazi benosiyema umbokazi benosiyema currently I don't think bakhona abadlali abangakwazi ukuthi babasuse kule position. Ngokwami mina looking at ku-squad Orlando Pirates and looking at uSesane indlela ayedlala ngakhona last season. Yes, angabuya uSesane adlale as a center back. Yabo, and we can make room for Siyema. Why ngisho njalo na? Uthi we can make room for Siyema. If you can look indlela adlala ngakhona uSiyema he plays like center back. Uyi-center back but le center back le progressive ekwazi ukuya phambili ekwazi ukuconnecta iplay ekwazi futhi ukufika phambili izithatha ama shot yabo iyonto engiyithanda ngayo mfethu uSiyema same as uMbokazi noMbokazi naye uyakwazi ukwenza lokho but most of the time ngijwayele ukubona uSiyema mfethu uyakwazi ukuthi aphushe aye phambili umjida we saw him even against Mamelodi Sundowns you saw those runs he made against the Sundowns yabo that is unlike a typical defender that is unlike a typical center back umjida uyakwazi ukuprogressa aye phambili so mubuka umjida njengoSiyema mfethu ngokwami mina we can play uSiyema as a right back. We can play him as a right back because I've seen matches uSiyema playing kwi-Orlando Pirates ulebitso meye phambili umjida uyakwazi ukudropha amkhavele lapha adlale as a right back akwazi ukudefenda lapha mina ngokwami mase sidlala ama-games are tough playing tough games we can play uSiyema as a right back kuthi Sesane aplaye as a center back with uMbokazi mhlambe with uSibisi mhlambe with Olisandama say right yabo we can make space for these players yabo we can play all of these players we can make tactics based on these players I know mhlambe abanye abantu bangasho ukuthi Van we don't need to experiment more yabo sesinazo isquad ucoach vele ujwayele uexperiment yabo into nje esijwayele ngeke uzongitshela ukuthi ikhona ifirst 11 ya coach akanayo ifirst 11 right now so we need to find our first 11 and looking at these players kusazobanzima for ucoach ukuthi ayithole ifirst 11 because bonke bayaperforma bonke badlala kahle and bonke bafuna ukunikeza i-team something so ukudlalisa uSiyema as i-right back mase ukuthi uMbokazi with uSesane as ama-center backs I don't think ikhona i-team yazokwazi ukuthi i-attack i-Orlando Pirates ithole 3 points against Orlando Pirates izobe ivale kakhulu emuva miyasithole nje lowo bafana labo mase uthi lapha ka left back ukhona uDion Hotto mhlambe singaya kwi-market ngoJanuary siyothola another left back ezokwazi ukuthi iqinise ukhona noNdaba futhi lapha ukhona uNdaba yabo so ngempela i-defense iqinile ngabe mhlambe uSiphocheni ngabe ufuna ukudlala ngathi ke mase aconsider amagoli ngabe nje ufuna ukudlala ngathi angazi ngabe udingani ngabe udinga induku mase angayitholi nje i-goalkeeper of the season nakule season ngabe nje udlala ngathi iloko nje mina ngakusho but ke wena how do you think it's fair ukuthi umjida simshintshe iposition ubani uSiyema simdlelise right back mase ukuthi uSesane abuye as i-center back yabo judge mina I'm judging this and I'm saying this because of indlela adlala ngakhona uSiyema uyakwazi ukukhuphuka a-add ama numbers phambili ashaye lezo zinto umjida uyakwazi ukuprogressa with the ball yabo and that is what you need kuma wing backs Orlando Pirates mina can play this guy as a right wing back Orlando Pirates mase ngilithola ithuba but ke you can tell me in the comments if yabo kumele simgcine la ekhona umjida because in some instances unawo kuyena ukwenza lawo mistake nyana yabo but uyakwazi ukuyiredeema abuye ibhola ahambe nalo phambili futhi